Put a finger down if you remember when Walmart sold pet fish.
Yep.
Put a finger down if you've ever been inside of a vehicle with a ashtray and a lighter installed in the vehicle. Put a finger down if you remember when you could win a free drink from a soda top. Put a finger down if you've ever hit the side of a TV in order to correct the image. Put a finger down if you've ever seen a Girls Gone Wild commercial or you know what a Girls Gone Wild commercial is. Put a finger down if you remember when Pizza Hut had a salad bar. Put a finger down if you remember pump and pay gas stations. Put a finger down if you know what a waterbed is. Put a finger down if you remember when the game Snake came pre-installed on cell phones. And put a finger down if you know this MASH sound means it's time to go to bed.